What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. What's up guys, so welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you the E-Class E53 AMG Coupé. So this is the key for this beautiful car. So let's unlock it. So I just turned on the LED day running lights. They are flashing on the camera, but they don't flash in the real life. So this E-Coupé looks better than on the pictures in life. Looks better, much better. I have to tell you, this looks incredible actually. And this mask is from AMG 63, a generation before. So this looks really much better. And also these rims, they are magnificent. So if you take a look at these lights, they are multi-beam LED lights, headlights. And these are the E-Class signature 2 stripes lights. These aero bits and front grille, AMG front grille. So there is a little bit rust on the brakes because the car is sitting here outside in the stock. But yeah, if you start to drive, it will disappear. This car is still on summer tires, on Michelin. What is it? Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. And these are 20-inch rims, 245, 35. On the side you can see Turbo 4MATIC Plus. And this car has a nice package because it has black mirrors and also black roof. So ambulance is also Mercedes, the best or nothing. So yeah, these cameras, they are for assistance. We take a look here later. So I just really love how this car looks from the outside. Really beautiful lines, I have to agree, much better. For a comparison, this is an E53 and this is C43, so you can see the car is much bigger. So this is a really cool comparison because yeah, the car is a lot bigger. Round exhausts for the entry AMG models. This one has black exhaust tips. So yeah, much wider, much bigger car than the C-Class Coupé. And this is E53 sedan. So the taillights are a lot different on the Coupé. They're a lot slimmer, and I like this a lot more. Looks better in my opinion, but this is more comfortable for people. You can see there also, but yeah, this is mainly for 2 people. So yeah, I will show you exterior interior of this car, and if you like this video, if you like this content and my channel, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So guys, let's take a look at the engine space. So the 53 series has a new inline engine with EQ boost, which provides outstanding power delivery and refinement. So this new engine has 435 horsepower, 320 kilowatts, and can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers or 62 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. This engine also has 520 Newton meters, and this is 3-liter 6-cylinder inline turbo engine with electric auxiliary compressor. So this is a new style of the engine. Also, this car has AMG Speed Shift TCT 9G, so 9-speed gearbox, and top speed is 250 km per hour or 270 km per hour with the optional AMG drivers package. Additional performance comes courtesy of 48-volt electrification and the integrated started alternator with an output of up to 16 kilowatts. In addition to this, an electric auxiliary compressor ensures outstanding engine response across the entire RPM range. So why have all this? For low consumption, dynamic acceleration and exceptionally agile response. Keyless entry, and this car is finished in beautiful red and black interior. These are the comfort seats, but they have really nice bolsters. It's not like a comfort seat, but this is AMG comfort seat, so really great. Illuminated door panels, really looks great. I'm going to hop inside because it's cold here. I'm going to start the car. Beautiful AMG, and the sound, you can hear the sound in the cabin. Heated seats. Let's take a look in the interior of this car. So as you can see, this car has ambience lighting. I set it to purple, and this is steering wheel, the AMG steering wheel. This is also a heated steering wheel, so if you press this you can turn off the heating, and if you switch it like this you can turn on the heating. So it's really nice and getting hot now. Burmester sound system, and you can control the seats with these toggles, with these switches. Also memory seats, so 3-person can make a memory of their setting. So if you drive with your wife, girlfriend or a friend or whatever, family member or your friend, then you can set memory for steering and for the seat, so that's great. Mirrors are fully adjustable electric, so just press this and you can change it. Like this would be probably for me. You can also change this mirror. So this is the new system from Mercedes-Benz. This is digital cockpit, dual screen setup, and this nice thick AMG steering wheel with AMG logo. So with this portion you control cruise control, Distronic, and also with these buttons you control this display. And with this area you control the command system. Pedal shifters have really nice and premium feeling. Everything you touch is just amazing. You have also the switch for the lights, fog lights, parking lights. These are LED day running lights, multi-beam lights, and you can leave it on auto as well. So door pockets are quite large. You can also open the boot space from here, so this is very convenient. And if you close the door, it wants to give you the seat belt, so that's great. So also in this car is a panoramic roof, fully electric. Now it's ventilation, so it really looks great during the day. You have a lot of light here now in the interior. I'm going to show you now this display and what you can do with it. So with this touchpad, if you press it, then you can toggle the menu. I'm going to switch off the heated steering wheel because it's already hot. So let's take a look first. In the design, so you have Sport, Classic, Progressive. So Progressive is like this. Classic is this one. And Sport is my favorite. This is also changing. So I really like how this car looks in the Sport, so let's do this in Sport. So from left I'm doing it like this. There is a service, so 0 messages. You would see their error message. Tires, you need to drive for this. Then you have Assist Plus, this is for reminding you where is the service. Coolant, you can see it also there. Engine oil level. So usually you would need to drive a little bit to see engine oil level. So then in assistance you would see the car in front of you. If you would drive, you would see, and you switch this turning with these buttons. You have also attention assist, so the car will tell you when you drive too long and you need a break. AMG performance, you can see boost, temperature of the engine. If it's cold, then it's in blue. Then you can see boost, settings of the engine, drivetrain and suspension. And you can change it with these toggles. For example, from comfort, you can put it in Sport, Sport Plus. Also you can change also the gearbox from manual to automatic, and traction control you can turn it on or off. So then you have a G-force if you are moving and driving, and boost, so you can see the boost of the turbo, and kilowatts and newton meters, how much you are using right now. Then the trip, this will tell you how much kilometers you drove. Also consumption, range, eco display, so all these stats. So this car drove 152 kilometers and 16.3 liters per 100 kilometers is the average, but probably all of them were like a short drives, so that's why. You can see also the speed is very low, the average speed. So if you move this left right, you can change this right instrument cluster. And this is just next level. With analog display you can do this. Before I was a little bit skeptic when people say that there would be digital instrument cluster, but this graphic is like incredible, and you can customize everything. You can have a track pace there. So this really is a next level car, a next level digital cockpit. And I think everybody would like this. But of course it's personal preference. But yeah, you can customize everything, and also the reflection here, like between the border and screen, is not that visible in person, and also I can't see myself. It's just because of the iPhone camera is so good in HDR. So yeah, let's continue. You can have a navigation there, radio, media, telephone, head-up display. So I can change the position of the display. So this is pretty cool. Then you can change the brightness. So now it's more bright and less bright. Alright. And also you can change the display content. So you can have different things here. So I think this looks amazing. This is for track. I think this is really cool. So you can see the revs, focus. Can have it like this, or lap times. So you can have a lot of different settings for the head-up display. And next are the designs, which I showed you before: Sport, Classic, Progressive. So my favorite is Sport, so leave it like that. So yeah, this is basically it. And with the command display, you can have various settings there, and you can control it with this and also with this one. So this is really great. So in the vehicle settings you can see all of these settings. For example, for the seats, you can have a massage, lumbar support, side bolsters, seat heating balance, climate control. You can set air refreshener, ionization of the air, rear temperature, and the graphics are just amazing. Then you have energizing comfort. So this is like combination of a lot of different things: ambience lighting, ventilated seats, heated seats, a massage. So really cool. Dynamic select. You can configure there individually everything in the car. Drivetrain, you can put it in sport, moderate, dynamic. Transmission, you can put in manual or drive. Suspension, comfort, and ESP on. So this is like comfort sport plus mode. Then you can have engine data. Vehicle data. Dynamic data. Boost, Newton meters, kilowatts. So if I'm in Sport Plus, this also looks different than in a comfort mode. Then you have track pace. Only use this on the racetrack. This is warning. And in the track pace, you can use the track. Like, for example, Spa-Francorchamps. And race there and see best lap time, average speed, total length of the circuit, top speed. So this is great. You can also record a new track. And also you can have a drag race. You can have acceleration. quarter mile. You can see braking and history. Then we have a telemetry. And another options. You can select head-up display contact, acoustic feedback, you can set your driver profile. So this is amazing. Then assistance. You have all the assists: traffic sign assist, camera park assist. You can also remote this car and park this car from the smartphone. You have an active brake assist, speed adjustment. So this car, as you can see, can reduce speed ahead of bends and other route features if you set route guidance. So it can drive automatically and set and adjust speed. Tension assist, this is when you drive too long. Lane changing assist, active blind spot assist. So this is like automatic pilot. Then you can see consumption, light settings. Here is ambient lighting. So you have a multicolor option or a single color. You have 64 colors. So this is like a green now. I think the purple looks the best. During nights is certainly most visible color. You have also combination of colors. Red moon is like a purple, and here is red, and red is also here, and feet have blue ambient lighting. Vents are also blue. You can also change light system, dipped beams, surround lighting, exterior light shut off, interior light shut off, and vehicle settings. In the system, you can see all of these things. So yeah guys, that's it. Review of this displays. And guys, this is Napa leather, two-tone interior, red and classic red. Classic red and black. And these are the comfort seats. And I really think they look spectacular. So here is this storage space in the middle console, and also you have here USB ports. So on the top you have a storage room for your sunglasses, SOS button and Mercedes Me button, lights button, and this is for the sunroof. Alright, so I will just set my seat as I would drive the car. So a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. So guys, let's check the rear seats. right, so guys, now I'm in the back, and I set the seat the same way as I would drive, and I'm 186 centimeters, 6 feet and 2 inches, and this is fine. As you can see, I have this much space, my knee can have a free movement. This is nice curved a little bit, and yeah, I really like this rear interior, and I think I could sit here no problem. Maybe even maybe even like a long journey. So this is a black tinted windows and Burmester sound system speaker, and you can raise your arm here, so really looks great. Also a contour seat, a little bit narrow as you can see, but not a big deal. You have also cup holders here. Maybe you can even order like a armrest here, but yeah, many people won't have usually people in the back here. They will just drive here with the passenger, so maybe they don't need this. It's a really nice place to be here. So when I turn the ignition here, as you can see, the residual heat is activated with this button, rest. So you can see the ambience lighting. This is a red moon, a red and blue, actually purple. And in the back here, no ambience, but you have it here on the feet. So looks really great. You can also use these vents. You can also change hot and cold air. So really nice place to be here, and I'm a more than average tall person, and this is no big deal for me, so I really didn't expect this. So I'm in the back, guys, now, and as you can see, my head is not touching the roof. I have like, okay, so maybe 3 fingers, maybe 4, so like this. So enough room even for like a drive here, passenger drive, rear passenger. And oh, nice feature, this is to hang your shirt. Very nice detail. So I'm comfortable here, and actually more space than I expected, and yeah, this is just fantastic. You have also here the seat belt, so you can use it, and this is great and comfortable. So guys, one more look from the back, and let's check the boot space. Also here you have lights. Maybe you can also turn it from the front, and also the view on the panoramic roof. And if you want to get out from the car, just press this and lean forward the car. I mean the seat, sorry. The seat is moving. You can exit the car. Alright, so let's close the door and let's check out the boot space. So very convenient thing is that you can open the boot with your key fob. So let's take a closer look at the boot capacity, which is 435 liters. And the boot space is actually quite big for a coupe, so I think you can fit some suitcases there with no problem. And you can close, of course, with the same button. You can close the boot space, so when it's dirty you don't need to touch it, so that's convenient. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like. If you like this content, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And of course guys, if you have any more questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.